So can you use copyright music in your YouTube videos? Let's talk about it. What's going on, and welcome back to another video. I'm absolutely pumped for this today. I've been out on a shoot this morning, so I'm happy to be back in work, back moving. I feel like the world is getting back to some sort of normality. And I've also just been listening to the latest Joe Rogan, Kevin Hart podcast. So if you haven't listened to that, I highly recommend listening to it. It's so good, so motivating. Them two guys put together, they're just on it. So if they can't get you pumped and ready to work, I don't know what will. So in this video, we're going to talk about using copyright music in your YouTube videos, which is a question that I get asked quite a lot from clients as well as people online. And before we dive into it, I need to give you a bit of a backstory. So this video is sponsored by Licked, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about Licked. But first, I want to talk to you about them as a company. I'm a small creator. There's no hiding that, the numbers don't lie. But when Licked reached out to me and said they wanted to sponsor some videos on my channel, at first I was like, is this real? Like, is this happening? Because at the time, I think I had like 800 or 900 subscribers. And it was one of their representatives, David, who reached out and he actually messaged me over Facebook. And this is something that all creators need to think about. You need to look at your brand, your visual status across all platforms. So do you have a presence on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok? Like, if you're an up and coming creator, you need to sort of think about where are you positioning yourself online. So David reached out on my public Facebook page. And this is what's important when you think about Licked as a company. David messaged me and said, "Hey Josh, I work at a music licensing company called Licked. We license chart music out to creators for social video and want to see if you'd be interested in being sponsored by us." How amazing is that? Not even 1,000 subscribers. But this is the best part. I messaged him back saying, "Hi David, that'd be amazing. What does it entail?" And he put, "Well, we're looking to reach out to creators, and although you're still a small channel, we're also looking at empowering up and coming creators." Now this is like so important, because before you even think about sort of entering into an agreement with a company for something such as this, you've got to make sure that your values are aligned. And when he said that to me, I was like, this is incredible. Like, what a company to be looking out for smaller channels, up and coming creators, to empower them and help support their channels grow whilst partnering with them. Like, for me, I think that was just one of the best things that they could have done. And I didn't know anything about Licked at this point. I didn't even know it was possible to use commercial music on YouTube. I just figured you'd get a copyright strike and that's it, game over for your channel. So that right there was exactly why I was more than happy to work with Licked as a company. So what is Licked? Well, it's a platform for you to license commercial tracks for your YouTube videos without any risk of copyright strikes and your videos being pulled down and all the bad things that usually are associated with using commercial tracks on YouTube. As a company, they're on a mission to sign every record label and every publisher so that Licked are the only platform that creators like us will need to license commercial music, available to everyone without any compromise. The key thing to remember as well is, by supporting a company like Licked, you know, up and coming platforms like this, by supporting the company, you're supporting the artists that they are in contact with. And naturally, the more of us creators that use the platform, the bigger and better artists that we'll have access to for our videos. And there are some really big artists on there already. Noel Gallagher, Ziggy Marley, John Newman, just to name a few. If you use the link in the description below, you'll get access to your first track for free. All you have to do is log in using your YouTube Gmail account, connect it up, search through, find a track that you want to use. You can search by genre, the artist's name. There's many ways to search for the track that you want. Click the old license button, tick all the boxes, download the track, and you're ready to go. Start using it in your videos. Licked backend software will then clear the track for you, so there's no risk of a copyright strike or any bad things happening to your channel, and you now can use a commercial track on your YouTube videos. It's unbelievable. The license can be used across YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, so there's no risk on any of those platforms. For that first download, there's no need to put in your card details or anything like that, and it's strictly a pay-as-you-go system. And on that note, the price is unreal. What they've done is they've categorized each channel into a certain section. So for smaller channels, it's as little as £6 per license, and then it goes up incrementally depending on the amount of views that you get on your channel and your videos, which I think is absolutely fair. So for us small creators, I think it works out at around £6 per track. But as I said, using the link below, you get the first download for free and you get 50% off your second download. For me, Licked as a company with their brand ethos and their backing of smaller creators will forever have my vote. I urge you all watching this video to take advantage of that offer. Download your first track for free, get a good understanding of the platform and how it works, look at some of the incredible artists that you've got to choose from, because it's absolutely amazing. And by supporting them, you're supporting me as always on my journey to becoming a bigger and better YouTuber. Just a nice quick video this week for you guys. I hope it brought some value to you. When I first found out that we could use commercial tracks on YouTube, I was amazed, and I hope you're just as amazed as I am. I'll be back next week with another video, but until then, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment when you've downloaded that first track. Let me know what you've used, because if you find a good one that I've not spotted yet, share the knowledge. I might use it for my next video. Thanks again for watching. Keep creating and enjoy your first track from Licked. Such a good song. This will be the sound of this summer, I'm guaranteeing it. What song?
I thought my world was crumbling when I woke up and you weren't in my bed, and I was left to wondering how you could walk away and never turn back. Tried to right all your wrongs. I never thought that I'd be lost, but I found the truth. I was searching for me in you. Now I'm better off without you, and it's finally clear to see that the person I was missing, it's not you, it's me. Now I'm better off without you, and I've never felt so free. 'Cause the person I was missing, it's not you, it's me. I tried so hard to please you, but nothing that I did would work. Oh, and all the things that we've been through, now it's time to start putting me first. Tried to right all your wrongs. I never thought that I'd be lost, but I found the truth. I was searching for me in you. Now I'm better off without you, and it's finally clear to see that the person I was missing, it's not you, it's me. Now I'm better off without you, and I've never felt so free. 'Cause the person I was missing, it's not you, it's me. Better up, better up. I'm better off without you. Better up, better up. I'm better off without you. I thought my world was crumbling when I woke up and you weren't in my bed, and I was left to wondering how you could walk away and never turn back. 'Cause I'm better now.